I double ferment my milk kefir and I keep it on a radiator in order to keep the fermentation going. This smaller jar has been fermented now for 2 days. A second ferment with some pieces of fruit. It's very thick and the liquid has separated out from under it. It's called whey. I mix it with a wooden spoon to make it more like a pourable yogurt. What you do is you take from the first day's ferment and you separate it out through a sieve. You're wanting to separate the kefir grains from the kefir itself. Once you've done that, you simply put the kefir grains back into the large jar, which you're going to add milk to in a moment. I add some pieces of fruit to the kefir. This time I had some old grapes left over, so I used them. Quick wipe down of the lid, and then add milk to the large jar. I use different sized jars to make it easier to identify which is which. I prefer raw milk. Once you've done that, it's simply a case of washing the jars down, popping them back on the radiator, and they're ready to work their magic for the next day.